collect payment via ACH or Pre-Authorized Debit through Vendasta payments. Supported in orders, invoices, and subscriptions, the payment methods offered adjust automatically based on the location of your client. So, when billing clients are located in the United States, you can collect payment via ACH. And when billing clients are located in Canada, you'll be presented with the option to bill them via Pre-Authorized Debit. Customize the experience for each of your clients. When they approve their orders or receive their invoices, they'll see the payment options you've set for them and be guided through providing the required information. For recurring products and services, you can automatically charge a payment method on file, which can be from a previous payment with a valid authorization mandate for the client for all subsequent charges. You'll find each client's payment method stored in their billing settings, with the default method clearly marked. For ACH and Pre-Authorized Debit transactions, a 1% application fee applies at the time of payment. When reviewing all of your payments, icons show the payment method used for each transaction. And thanks to a recently released update, tracking payments is easier than ever with this payment status column that shows you which invoices have been paid, are processing, or have a payment attempt fail.